Today I'm unboxing and opening my B730 Backpack by Lenovo. If you go on their website, it actually shows you that it's made and has a warranty by Targus. They're a much more well-known brand for making backpacks. I think they do a good job. So you're buying a Lenovo branded backpack, but it's manufactured and warranty by Targus and not Lenovo. So some of their bags are not made by Targus because they have a whole collection, and some bags are made by other brands. So go on their website, click on tech specs, and then you could see which brand manufactures it, and then you'll have a better idea of the quality. This is a 17-inch laptop bag, and it's 24 liters. It has several different pouches, and it claims to be water resistant. I'll have to put that through the test. And it's just a little more information about the bag. There's obviously room for tablets, pens, notebooks, 2 water bottle slots, a bigger pouch here. I think it's nice and spacious, and it's relatively good for the price. I wouldn't necessarily recommend sticking with Lenovo though. They put in a kind of advertisement for their carrying case. And of course it's made in China. And here, so it says it's meant for travel, it's water repellent, TPU, and there's an anti-theft pocket, which I don't think is really anti-theft. Their idea of anti-theft is that the person won't see the back slot, which I don't think is really going to deter someone. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more.